Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called package to order. Package to order is a term describing the practice to delay the final packaging of a product until an actual customer order has been received, instead of packaging a product in advance of order based on a forecast or a stock replenishment signal. Typically, the physical product is common across many customers, and the packaging determines the final SKU for the order or for a particular customer. Package to order is a make to order process and are used as a postponement strategy. Other postponement strategy include assemble to order and configure to order. Thanks for watching. Bye.